If you're an Akixi Administrator, this video provides a follow-along tutorial where you can learn how to build and manage your Central Management Environment, or CMEs, within Akixi. Before you follow along with this tutorial, be sure to check out the Central Management Environment overview video for a brief summary, and there'll be a link in the description. The CME provides a single environment for you to view and manage all of your Akixi customers with just one login. Start by logging in with your administrator accounts and head over to the CME section of the admin portal. This will take you to the Central Management Environments page where you can view and manage your Akixi estate. Here we can see the Excellence Group's primary CME on its own, as no other CMEs have yet been created. Let's begin building a new Child CME by pressing the Add button. Enter in a custom description. We're going to call it the Prime IT Group. Next, you want to select the Parent CME for the Prime IT Group. A Parent CME is where this new central management environment will reside, and in this example, we will put the Prime IT CME into the Excellence Group primary CME. Now click the OK button. You will see that the new CME has been successfully created. The next step is to add any telephony servers, application users, or even other CMEs that you want to be contained and located within the Prime IT Group CME. To add a customer, head over to the Telephony Service section of the admin portal. From here, you can either move an existing telephony server or create a brand new one. In this example, we are looking to move the Charlie's Cakes and Graham's Groceries telephony servers into the Prime IT CME. Select the Charlie's Cake telephony server and click on the Change button. Use the CME drop-down menu and select the Prime IT Group CME. You can then click the Save button to confirm the changes. We're also going to repeat the same process for Graham's Groceries. If we go back to the CME page, we can now see there are a couple of telephony servers within the Prime IT Group's CME. To view all telephony servers with a CME, click on the three dots under the View column and click Telephony Servers. From the telephony server page, you can use the filter at the top of the page to select another CME and view the telephony servers within. We are now going to look at adding an application user to a CME. Head over to the Application Users section of the admin portal. Just like with adding a new telephony server, you can either modify an existing user to give them CME access, or you can create a new application user. We are going to create a brand new user and give them access to the Prime IT Group CME. We'll start by clicking the Add button. After completing the user's details, click on the Permissions menu item. Use the drop-down menu and select which CME the user is to have access to, in this example, Prime IT Group. You can then use the telephony server field to select whether the user gets access to a single telephony server or all telephony servers within that CME. We're going to leave this as all. Complete any additional custom settings and finish by clicking the Save button. This will create and add the new user to the Prime IT Group CME. And you can use the filter at the top if you want to view which users are members of other CMEs. Let's finish the tutorial by going back to the Central Management Environment section of the portal. Here you can easily view CMEs that you have access to, along with their telephony servers and users. Selecting a CME at the top of the page will show a parent CME along with all of the child CMEs. For example, if we select the Excellence Group CME, we will also see the Prime IT Group CME. One of the huge benefits gained by grouping your customer sites into CMEs is the ability to access billing reports for all of your customers from a single location. Head over to the Status and Tools section of the portal and click on the Licenses option. From here, you can download a billing summary or CDR for all of the customer sites that are contained within your CMEs. Simply select your chosen CME using the drop-down menu and then click either the Billing Summary or Billing CDR button. By selecting your primary CME, you will download all information, including those items within any child CMEs. This has been your in-depth CME tutorial. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorial videos on the Akixi YouTube channel. Thank you.